In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename color styles in Figma. If you're cleaning up a design system or aligning names with updated brand guidelines, renaming color styles lets you reorganize without recreating anything from scratch. I'll walk you through both quick methods and a few helpful tips to keep everything tidy as your library grows. First, open the Local Styles panel. Make sure nothing is selected on the canvas by clicking an empty area or pressing the ESC key. When there's no selection, the right sidebar shows local styles for the current file. Here, Figma groups your styles by type, so you'll see sections for color, text, effect, and layout. Color is the one we're working with. Next, find the specific color style you want to rename. Scroll through the color section until you spot it. If your file uses folders or /naming, like primary blue or neutral gray 300, that structure can make hunting it down much easier. /naming effectively creates nested categories, which is handy for large palettes and keeps everything predictable over time. Now there are two simple ways to rename the style. The first is directly from the Local Styles sidebar. Hover your mouse over the color style's name, and you'll see a small pencil icon appear. Click that icon, type the new name, and press Enter to confirm. That's it. Your style is updated across the file wherever it's used. The second method is through the Style Picker. Select any object on the canvas that's already using the color style you want to rename. In the right sidebar under Fill or Stroke, click the Style icon, the one with 4 dots, to open your list of styles. Right-click the style you want to change and choose Edit Style. Update the name in the dialog, then press Enter to save. This is a great option when you're already working on an element and want to adjust the style name on the fly. A few important notes before you wrap up. If the style lives in a published library, you'll need to open the source library file to rename it. You can't rename library styles from a file where they're only being used. Also, adopting consistent /naming, like brand primary or neutral gray 100, keeps your system scalable and makes future renaming faster. And if you have a lot to process, consider plugins designed for batch renaming, such as Rename Styles or Batch Styler, to speed things up. That's all you need to confidently rename color styles in Figma without breaking your workflow.